Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a laptop. It is a HP 17.3 inches laptop in black AMD Ryzen 3 2200U, 8 gigabit RAM, 1 terabit HDD, AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics, and Windows 10 Home Edition. A laptop with the power to surf, stream, and do so much more with an AMD Ryzen 3 processor and an AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics. Plus, extensive quality testing ensures that you can keep going and going and going. That means this laptop is not for gamer. It is for desktop use, desktop replacement. It has a graphics chip on board, but on board, not a special card. That means you can use this device for all office operations, but not for gaming. Old school gaming you can use, like Minecraft, like so different other games like Trackmania or so. You can make little video clips you can cut with this laptop. The quality is in the medium range, but the price is medium too. With its sleek, stylish and beautiful brushed keyboard and color matches hinge, the smartly designed 70.3-inch laptop looks as good as it performs. That's right, because it is a medium style. It is all of plastics. It contains only plastic outside and inside. You have, of course, some chips there, which contains not plastic, of course, but the vents are made of plastic. The screen is made of plastic at the surface. The bottom plate is made of plastic. Everything is made of plastic. It has not so a touch like a high quality model. Stay connected and entertained for up to 9 hours with a long-lasting HP fast charge battery, rich HD plus display, plus easily store and enjoy your favorite music, movies and photos with ample storage. That means you have enough space with 1 terabyte HDD on board, and you have an extra SSD to get this notebook faster booting. Of course, this is a good option, but is state of the art. When your laptop is low on power, no one has time to wait hours to recharge. Power down your device and go from 0 to 50% charge in approximately 45 minutes. I think it's 1 hour. Because it's all not so fast like HP is telling us. Power your device, transfer up to 5 gigabit per second of data, or connect to an external display, or from just one USB-C port. And it's reversible, so you never have to worry about plugging in upside down. You can reach all connection things. You have Bluetooth, USB 2 ports, USB 3.0, of course, is better. Type A ports, two of them. Ethernet, LAN, RJ45. This is for your internet. HDMI. This is for your for example, for a second screen. It has an webcam, it has a combo headphone mic port, and the Bluetooth version is 4.2. The processor speed is 2.5 gigahertz. The display size is 43.9 centimeters, and I think it is good for work at the office, of course, at the cheap office. Reversible DVD drive, of course, USB-C, all is in. This is okay. It is an integrated AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics. For example, you can use other chips too. And it is a nice 70 inches display, okay. It is a large display for 17, that's okay. For this price, it is okay to use it, because it's only up to $500. This is okay, but it's all plastic, really. If you spend a little bit more money, you can have a laptop, like a Dell laptop, with aluminium, for example. The RAM is fast enough, you can get more inside. The HDD is okay, but it's a little bit small. The storage is only 5,400 rounds per minute SATA drive. This is a little bit slow. And the battery life is up to 9 hours. That means you can work 1 working day with this laptop without new energy. That means it's okay. Okay. And if you like it, buy it. It is a cheaper one. Designed for long-lasting performance. The stylish design HP laptop has a long-lasting battery that keeps you connected, entertained, and productive all day. Speed through tasks, or sit back and socialize with the latest processor and a rich HD display. Do it all day long. It's a nice laptop for this price. It is your choice to buy like this, or you will spend a little bit more money and get a better shape, a better product. But this is normal. If you go to buy cheap products, you have plastic. If you go to buy high quality products, you have aluminium inside, for example, or other stuff like metal. This is a better one. But if your pocket is not so liquid, you have to start with like this laptop here. So go out and have fun with this laptop. It's not only bad, really it's not bad. It's okay laptop. The range is nice, display 17 inches, processor is nice, memory is nice, storage is okay. The graphics are integrated, that's not so good. The battery life is always okay. The Windows 10 Home Edition is okay too. Everything is okay. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. And see you next time again on my channel. Soon.